Hello everyone. How are you doing? Welcome to our channel. My name is Gabrielle, and today we are going to show you how to factory reset a Nintendo Switch and delete all of its contents and settings. Initializing the Nintendo Switch console will remove all data in the system memory, including software, saved data, screenshots, and user information will be deleted, restoring the console to factory settings. To begin, select System Settings from the Home menu. Scroll all the way down, highlight System and then press A to select it. Scroll down again, and select Formatting Options. Now highlight Initialize Console and press A to confirm. Scroll all the way down and then select Next. A dialog box will pop up telling you that your console will try to connect to the internet. Select Next to proceed. Once you reach the caution page, try reading the information on the screen, and then select Initialize to continue with the factory reset. After doing that, make sure that your console stays on while the reset is underway. If you haven't tried resetting your Nintendo Switch before, then here's what happens. It will take approximately 8 minutes for the reset to finish, so you have to wait until it's done. When the reset is complete, your console will reboot and prompt you to set it up again. After you set it up, you can continue using your Nintendo Switch again. We hope that this guide can help you one way or the other. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit the thumbs up icon and please do subscribe. Have a nice day everybody.